First comes the blessings of all that you dreamed, and then comes the curses of diamonds and rings. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Vapormax 97 Metallic Gold. Now, the Air Vapormax 97 is essentially the metallic gold colorway of the Air Max 97 with a Vapormax bottom. There's nothing really else I have to say about it. That's basically it. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the Nike Sportswear box, the red box, and the colorway is metallic gold and varsity red. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features, as I said before, the Air Max 97 upper in metallic gold. And quality-wise, it feels almost identical to the metallic gold Air Max 97. You have the metallic gold upper with the mesh detailing and the 3M. Moving towards the tongue, you have the metallic gold tongue, as well as the black and red tongue tag, and the metallic gold laces. Now, what I did notice, and this is last year's pair of the Air Max 97, not the current upcoming pair, but the colors of the laces are a little bit different. The laces on the Air Vapormax 97 are a little bit lighter than the last year pair of the Air Max 97. Moving towards the heel, you have the mesh overlay along with the red and black Nike swoosh, and you have the 3M detailing, exactly the same as the rest of the shoe. On the heel, you have the Air Max 97 Air Max back tab in black, gold, and metallic red. The insole has a black and gold Vapormax logo along with the gold Nike swoosh as well. Moving towards the medial is exactly the same as the lateral, so you have the 3M detailing and the mesh, as well as the tiny overlaid Nike swoosh and mesh. Lastly, you have black detailing and a clear translucent Vapormax outsole with black detailing on some of the Vapormax pods. Overall, when I first saw the silver bullet and neon Air Vapormax 97, I immediately knew that the Air Vapormax 97 was coming in metallic gold, and I was excited for the pair. But actually having a pair in hand, the black detailing, I kind of wish this was white instead of black, kind of like the midsole of the Air Max 97. However, I'm not gonna hold that completely against it because it's so small and minute that you can't really tell anyway. With that being said, I am still excited that I picked up this pair, and I'm still gonna wear it around, so it's not really gonna make a big deal for me anyway. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Ryan Little.
Vapormax 97 Metallic Gold will hit Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 17th for a retail price of $190. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.